everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a festive holiday mani using dip powders from Cascade Color Works and gels. And I really like the jars that the dip powders come in. I just love how they're big enough where you can dip into them and then you can really see the color dip powder inside. So the first color here, it is called Cranberry, and this is a beautiful red. It's more of a deeper red and it also pulls a little bit cooler, and I think it's super pretty and it's going to pair perfectly with this next one. And it is the perfect sparkle called Spruce. Now, it's not your normal hunter green. This is more of like a darker teal green. It's super pretty, and I really like how the glitters are super fine. And then paired together with Cranberry, it's giving me the perfect festive holiday mani. Now, for today's mani, we're going to be doing press-ons, and we're going to be using the gel base, the gel top coat, and we're going to do a matte finish on those red nails. So to make sure that we're getting no sparkle on those beautiful cranberry red nails, I'm going to go ahead and dip 2 of the nails directly into the cranberry first. We're going to do 2 dips of cranberry, and then we're going to go ahead and put a matte top coat on there. Now, when I'm doing solids and glitters and I'm doing like a different top coat, or if I want that color as pure as possible, I will go ahead and make sure I finish that nail completely before I go in with any glitters, so I do not contaminate that beautiful color. So right now you can see here I'm dipping into cranberry, and check out how vibrant that is with one dip. It's super pretty and I really like that color. All right, so let's dive into this mani process and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and how pretty is this mani? I just love the sparkle of that deep teal, and then the matte finish on that cranberry is super pretty. I really like that matte finish. It's not a satin finish at all. It's a true matte, so I like that about this top coat. And if you have any gel allergies, both of the base, the top coat, and the matte were HEMA free, so that's definitely a great option for you. So I will go ahead and link everything we used in today's mani in the description box below. Stay tuned. I do have 2 more Cascade Color Work manis coming up. One's a Christmas one, and then we're going to do like a winter's night mani, so I'm super excited about that, and I'll see you in the next upload.